Hi everyone, this is Vishal Khan and today we are going to talk about Oracle Database Administration, and our today objective is how to create table spaces, how to see information about the table spaces and data information, and which data dictionary are required for table spaces and data dictionary. So let's see here. It's very simple. First connect with the sys user, sysdba password, and after that, for example, if you want to know information about the current table spaces, so just use this data dictionary describe dba underscore table spaces. So just use the query, select table space underscore name from dba underscore table spaces. So currently in our system we have these table spaces. Now if you want to see information about the data files and their corresponding table spaces, so for that we are using the another data dictionary by the name of describe data dba underscore data underscore files. So use the query, select file underscore name comma table space underscore name from dba underscore data underscore files. Okay, column column name is file underscore name format A50, and another 10, the column name is another column is table space underscore name. So now it will, you will be read it easily now. So just see it now, the output. So it means that we have these number of data files and with their associated table spaces. For example, user 01.dbf data file extensions are .dbf is associated with the user table space. For example, if I want to show you this one, the Karachi.dbf KH01 is associated with the Karachi table space. Same here, PWR01.dbf file is associated with the Peshawar table space. So in this way you can see information about the table spaces and their associated data files, and these files are physically exist on the disk. So here where you install the software, for example in my system I install it in F drive, app, Vishal, Aura data, ORCL. So look at here are these data files, Peshawar data file, and this is the Karachi data file, where it is, yes, here. So and here you people can also see it, Peshawar and Karachi data file. So this is actually the data file path. Okay, now how you will create your own table space and associated data file? So it's very simple. So let's see here. First connect with the sys user. We already connected with the sys user. Just use this command, create table space name. So in our case table space name is tsstd, table space std, data file, the path of the data file. It's very simple, and the size of your table space, it can be 5 MB, 15 MB, 7 MB, 20 MB, it depends on your requirements. So here just copy this and here paste it. So now if you want to see the information, so here just use the same query. So here now there is our new data file and its associated table space, and now we want to check whether it's created on the disk or not. So here it's very simple, come here and check it. Our data file name is what, std01.dbf, std01.dbf. In the same way you can create the other table space also. For example, there is the another table space, the name of this table space is table space teacher, tch, and here the data file name is tch01. And it's also a good programming practice that if you use separate table space for the indexes like primary key, so create also another table space by the name of table space std index, and this table space is particularly will be used for indexes. So now if you want to see information about our data file, so look at here, we create now these three table spaces. Two are table space std, table space teacher, and the one is index table space by the name of table space std index. Now let's see it. I want to create a user by the name of std. How you will create the user? It's very simple. Create user username. So in our case the username is std identified by the password, and the password is abc. The default table space of this user will be what? Table space std. It means that all the data of this user will be stored inside in this table space, while temporary table space is temp. So just create this user. User is created. Now give rights to this user. So grant create session resource connect create table to std. Grant succeeded. Now connect with the std user std, and password is abc. Password is what? abc. Connected. Now create, in our case our username is uname and u1, and here I use the std username. So here create this table. So now this table is created inside the tsstd table space, because the default table space of the std user is tsstd. And now just here insert one record. Okay, and the primary key of the customer table is customer id. So here how you will add the primary key? So alter table customer table name, add constraint the identifier name, the primary key identifier name, which is pkcid, primary key cust id customer id, and using index table space, because we create a separate table space for indexes by the name of this table space std underscore index. So I already told you that it's a good practice to store indexes in separate table spaces. So this is a very simple command. So now our index is stored in the table space index table space, while our table is stored inside the table space std. Now insert the record and we will check the information. Commit it. Now connect with the sys user. Sys is sysdba password clscr. So if you want to know the information about the customer table, that customer table currently is using which table space, so we already create the user by the name of std, and the default table space of the std is tsstd. So for that you will use another data dictionary by the name of describe dba underscore segments. So select owner comma segment underscore name comma table space underscore name from dba underscore segments, where we want to know information about the std database objects, where owner equal to what? std. So okay, let me organize it. So column name is owner, format A10. Then we have another column segment underscore name, and table space underscore name. And just execute the query. So backslash create or forward slash. So here now we create customer table inside the std user, and the default table space of the std is table space std. While we create the primary key index of the customer table inside the table space index table space. Clear it? So it's very simple. In this way you can assign the table spaces and the index table spaces to the database objects. I hope so you people like my videos. If you people like my videos, kindly subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you. Bye bye.